Hi friends, in this video we are going to talk about career, career growth, career path, how to choose your right career path, how to handle your job issues, what might be the reasons behind the job issues, and many more things. Okay, in general, uh, in time science we divide career into four major different parts. One is proper salaried job, and second one is research oriented job, and third one is uh, business. Fourth one is salary person, commission oriented person, creative person, job. Okay, so these four things are classified, and beyond these things there is a domain, which domain you are working. Okay, which is that is also important. So you have to work in a right domain, right career path, which will give you the success in your career and also happiness in your life. Because if your career is right, if you are getting enough amount of salary, if you are happy with the salary, if you are happy with the growth you're having, then automatically it will impact your personal life as well. So career growth is very very important in life. I always reiterate, there is no personal life and career life separately. It's not a life. Okay, so we have to be in a right path, in a right career life, then our personal life will also be in a good position. Okay, so there are four types of career paths. One is salaried career path, second one is research oriented career path, third one is business, fourth one is self employment. Salaried thing is sixth above dominant, a normal salaried job. The next one is ninth above dominant, which is research oriented job, and third one is proper business, doing business, and fourth one is that is 10th above dominant, and fourth one is self employment, which is fifth above dominant. Okay, so why these classifications? Because in general, in India we generally we go to a job. That is our main first priority in any career. Okay, only few people go to business because they may have a lineage, like his or her father may be in business and they also have this instincts, then they will go to business like that. Okay, but most of the cases it is about salary job. Even in a situation like, even your father is a businessman, they also prefer you to go to job, so that you will be feel safe, because in India salary job is the safest option. But but not everybody is comfortable with that option. Okay, because let us assume you have a ninth power dominant, so you are a research oriented person, you don't feel comfortable in doing regular job, routine job again and again, you feel frustrated, and also it will end up you in a frequent job loss, because it is not possible for you to in sync with other people. You may have a high potential, but you cannot execute it there, because you want to try something new. Okay, that routine thing will not work for you. And let us take another assumption. You are working good, and your company is also appreciating it a lot. They like it, they like your work and everything, but you don't have that inner satisfaction. Okay, that means definitely there is a high chance you may be a business person. You have to do your business independently. You need your own client, your own customers. Like that, you have to choose two things: either proper business or self-employment. Okay, that will help you. Okay, that is the main thing. And next one is, you may be you never want to go to job at all. You feel frustrated to go to job. You cannot tolerate somebody giving you instruction. That means you are a creative person. Most probably you are a self-employment is your best choice. You have to do it yourself. You have to be a freelancer, and you can handle customers like that. Any human being in this world should have a talent. He is having a talent. That is out in time science. We always reiterate that any human being who is born has some talent, and he can deliver it if he knows it really well. If he know he can deliver it. That is the only thing. Okay. So first you have to choose your right career path, which is right, whether it is salary, research, business, or fourth one is self-employment. That one you need to choose. You need the freedom for it, financial freedom for it. If not, you need to work for some days and you have to focus on. For example, you want to do business but you don't have an investment, and you are in a job, then try to do a job some more time and try to have some money for initial thing, and then you can leave a job and you can do the business. So but your focus should be on the business, not in the job growth or career growth inside inside another company. Okay, but at the same time, domain is also very important. You cannot do something in the wrong domain, it is dangerous. So the why who will end up in wrong domain means who are forced to do something. I have seen many people who want to do interior design, but they end up as a doctor. Then it is terrible for them. They don't like doctor job, they don't like medicine, but they studied medicine because their parents forced them to do that. But they want to do some interior designing kind of stuffs, so they feel frustrated in life. They can never succeed in medicine as well. It is difficult. So they had to you had to force them every single time, which is frustrating thing. Okay, so parents should never force a child to choose a wrong education, which will end up in a wrong domain. Okay, and sometimes we forcefully end up we chose something wrong ourselves and end up in a totally wrong domain. Don't delay. Try to get a right job. Try to search. First you have to understand who you are, which is your capacity, which is your karma. I always tell you, karma is career. Okay, karma is nothing about judgments, nothing about right doings, wrong doings, right deeds, nothing like that. Karma is a purpose of your life. You should know your purpose. See, because once you know your purpose, and if you do that, okay, definitely you will attract people who similar to you. Like if you do what you like, you can find a people who you like, and also you will be surrounded by them, and your life will be very smooth, very interesting, very passionate, whatever it might be. You can do salary job, but you should love it. If you love it, then there is no problem at all. Let us assume another example. You have salary job, you love to do salary job, you don't want to do any business and anything, but still you your seniors or your team leads, your seniors are dissatisfied with your work. Okay, they always try to demoralize you, they always try to demotivate you. Then you have to be very careful. If you have a confidence like you are doing a right job, then definitely you should switch to a different career, different company, and do the same job. Okay, because there is a problem with the leader, with your seniors. Okay, it is not a problem with you. So you have to be very clear. If you like to do something, do it. Then you will grow yourself independently. At any day, your job will be safe. You don't need to worry about job at all in life. What you are going to do, you should do it with 100% commitment. Okay, then definitely your job is secured. Okay, don't worry about that. You don't need to worry about job loss or anything like that. Okay, it is always safe. Okay, so keep it in mind. There are four types of career path. Try to choose a right path. Keep it in mind. You have to choose a right domain to work with. So, and third one is, every human being has a purpose. It is called karma. Find your karma. Find your best career path, and try to shine in it. Your life will be too good, both in career and also in personal life. Because when you do what you like, you will be surrounded by people who you like. Okay, all the best. Thank you.